So this is the second part of the video, and as you can see, after approximately whatever, let's say 4 minutes, we lost a pressure in the range of 3 to 4 millibars. I let the video work in parallel a little bit, and then you can see how stable the pressure is in the range of 1000 millibar. That means 1 bar. So this is our gauge which we like to control, and we are now at 996 millibars. That means we start at approximately 1000 millibar, so we lost now 4 millibars. And the other gauge is still recording the pressure. Yeah. So again, we have now recording of the video 1.5 minutes. Now I fine adjust a little bit. So with the fine adjust, I can adjust the pressure really in small millibar ranges. So nearly back to 1 bar. And now let it work an additional minute. Give it time. 2:13 is now on the video. So 1 bar. Three minutes. An additional bar. Millibar, sorry, an additional millibar. $3.30, again an additional millibar. So we have approximately a drop rate of 1 millibar in 30 seconds. Yeah. Now it's nearly 4 minutes. So again, now it's 4 minutes. Again, 1 millibar. Let's see what will happen at 4 minutes 30. Yeah, 4 minutes 30 is now 996. Let's see. Now it's 5 minutes. So I think we lose with these test setup approximately 1 millibar per 30 seconds. So that means 2 millibars in 1 minute. Yep. I will double check again the seals, and maybe I can improve this a little bit, but I would say this is the drop rate. 2 millibars in 1 minute. In 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, so then, bye.